terror begins again.
What is up, YouTubers? John's of Challenges here, and welcome back to the Slime Rancher Only Dervish Slime Challenge. So, in the last video, we actually opened up quite a bit of doors last episode with some of the slime keys and everything. And we're actually almost to the dervish spots. We just need a little bit more, we just need one more key, which I do know where we can get a key. Which we also got these phase lemons and a bunch of these other fruits last time and everything. Got ourselves a jetpack, more energy, a tank boost. Which I don't know if I don't think I have enough for this one. Or actually nothing at all. But soon enough we'll start making some money. So yeah. Yeah, we were also able to open up the ancient ruins last episode. So we got that opened. So that's where we're going to go back to this episode to give to the Quantum Gordo. I keep mixing up the names. Give it to the Gordo, and then he'll give us another key, which then we can enter the Glass Desert, and then that's when finally we can get the Dervish Slimes. So, yeah. Yeah, I also can't remember how many days it needs to be until... I think I'll give myself achievement here for... is like getting through all the areas, getting to the end of the last area. That's definitely one of the cases. And to at least afford, or at least get every kind of slime with the dervish as well. And of course open up all the other areas too, so... yeah. Yeah, also, we kind of discovered a glitch at the end of the last episode, where I kind of just fell through the floor as I was coming back home to deposit some plorts. Which, luckily, I didn't really lose too much. I just didn't get any money at the end of the last episode. And the only thing I had was, like, extra Q-berries and mint mangoes, but I just slept the day away and got more anyway, so it was whatever. But, yeah. But yeah, this will also be our fourth door we're gonna open up too, so... yeah. And yeah, phase lemons are what quantum slimes like the most, so yeah. Already episode 3, and we're already kind of in the ancient quarry where we're also... well, actually, we kind of entered it episode 2 technically, yeah. Which hopefully I at least got the timing right in the last episode. I'm just saying because I know I had to cut a lot last episode too. Well, a little bit. I think the first recording I did was like 20 minutes. Then I had to go take a shit. Then I recorded for... well, I got a gold slime. Or gold plort. So that's something. It's gonna take up a bit of my storage, but that's fine. Alrighty, now... next question is... where is this, where is said Quantum Gordo? Oh yeah, the map. Nice. So yeah, if anything, I think it's on that side, but I don't know how to get over there at this very point. Actually, if I can kind of get over the wall here, maybe? Although I think it's actually pretty hard to. Okay. I was a little scared about going over the wall because I didn't know what was going to be right underneath. And now that I kind of had something to lose, okay, not here. I know it's, yeah, this is how we went over to the end part last time. There's the Boom Gordo. I need the Quantum Gordo. I guess that's one way. I guess I didn't have to go over the wall after all. There we go. Why is my home marked? Did I accidentally do that? No! Okay, whatever. It's just one face lemon. Thankfully, I wasn't on my freaking gold plort. That would have been nightmarish. I think it's kind of beyond this door, but I need to flick the switch to get opened. More pinks. Oh, you're hungry. Why am I getting information about that now? I don't even see it anywhere. Plus, I would have definitely heard the noise of it around. And yeah, with Lucky Slimes, as long as you have meat, you can shoot at them, and then you, yeah. Yeah, you shoot them, meat, and then they just kind of give you money. I think it's a good amount of money, too, you get from them. And then obviously with gold slimes, as you kind of saw there, I had to actually, like, oh. I got my face lemon back. Anyways, with gold slimes, you can't actually grab them in your pack. You actually need to... There's that. Oh, well, I guess I gotta go this way. But yeah, you have to put them in your... Or you have to shoot food, like any kind of food at them, and they'll drop a gold plort. Oh, man, no, wait a minute. Oh, don't tell me. Also, what the... Oh, yeah, I lost all the water I got, too. I just realized that as, I hear, dangerous music. The only way to really kill the tars is by water, which now I do not have. Man, I came down here to hit a switch, and now I need to hit this switch again. Oh, here we go. Interesting. Alright, so now we go back up here, and then if we find that one door that was closed before, it should be open for us then. If I can find it. Pretty sure it was like down this way, maybe. I see a door open over there, but I don't think it's the door. Oh, maybe it's more on this side. Hold on. Getting mixed up. Oh, one of these was here anyways. Ah, there we go. So over here... maybe not. I don't think it was supposed to be like right here. Maybe it was actually back at the start. Yeah, because I know going this way kind of leads you more towards the outer part. I can never remember exactly where to go in this area. Let me go down here, which now I know there's a down area that I can use. I think this is the beginning area again. Oh, okay, I see. So to get back up, I'm gonna need to do this. And you don't know where the Gordos are. Yeah, but I think I need to go upwards. Man. It's weird to also, like, record 3 videos, like, in a row, technically, because... Oh. You see, what I need to do is this, so I can then... Yeah, there you go. I guess I think it's actually over this edge, or maybe... It's not. Okay, well, okay. I have no idea where this frickin' Gordo is. Why do we keep not knowing where the Gordos are? Keep thinking they're to the side over here, but maybe they're, like, in another... part. I don't know. Let me go more on this side. Maybe this might help me if I Over here. I think I saw down here before. I think it's nothing but ocean. I thought you were about to fall off. Alright. Because I know it's like by like dangerous water. Like dangerous water I can't enter or else I die. Like how I fell through the map the one time. Let me see. It's not down there. It's not over here. Maybe it was near the exit? I'm not sure. There's the Boom Gordo again. I don't need Boom. I don't have the chickens. Well, let me go this way and see maybe if there's something over here for the Quantum Gordo. Over there. I'll wait for my energy to come back. There we go. Maybe it's somewhere this way and I just didn't realize. By here maybe? Oh wait, maybe. Oh yeah, I think it was over here. Yeah, okay, so I did have to cross that way. That's why I couldn't find it. Oh, of course it's closed. Hold on. Gotta open up first. There we go. There you are. I'm gonna give you all the cube berries first, just so I have room for the quantum plorts. And then mint mangoes, because why not? If anything, I may not even need them. Oh, god damn it. Collecting any quantum plorts. I don't need that many quantum plorts, but... Oh god, this is gonna be a massacre in here. Hold on. Bye-bye. Oh, I see another quantum plort. I don't technically need all the quantum plorts, I just need like 5 technically, but might as well grab them while I'm here. I don't really need the mint mangoes here anyways right now, so dig in. Keeping the quantum plorts and of course my gold plort. Yeah, now that we're over here... Oh yeah, and then okay, now I need to open this up. Alright, yeah, because now that I got the key, now I can go to the other side again. Go wait for my energy to come back. Onwards! Yeah, if anything, we really just need to get, like, or need to feed, like, one more Gordo something, and then open up one more door, and then the door should be good to get to the credits. Then I need to make my army of, dervish, slimes. I mean, not bad, like, we made it all the way to episode 3 without needing to have any slimes in our pen and everything, so... Yeah, and this is why you need at least 5 of these, so... And I guess I could make quantum dervishes to start, I guess, since I still have, like, quantum plorts anyways to use up, so... And phase lemons back home, too, so that's another thing. And like that, we're in the glass desert. Yeah. And sadly, every time we come over here, we're gonna need, like... Yeah. We're gonna need, like, more of, What is it, like? Yeah. I'm losing my train of thought. Okay, dervish slimes. Dervish, where are you? I need you. Hello? I heard that pop. Don't tell me it was just a hen. Dervish! There we go. You're the kind I want. I also do want to get your kind of food, too. Since I know I can, like, with mixed breeds, I can just kind of, like, obviously when I make quantum dervishes, I can just, well, do it that way, but yeah. The fact is, too, if I want to get, like, different kinds as well, like, I need to keep coming back for dervish slimes. Oh, rock. Nope. Need to collect as much as I can. Ooh, a silver parsnip. I need the prickle pears, though, which, yeah, I think I know exactly where I can find one. I just need to... I don't even know if I can even make it over there just yet. Yeah, I think it's also blocked off by the door too, which in this case as well, I need to get another key, but I think there's another spot I can go without needing to go forward. Yeah, there's 2 keys. Yeah, there's that, so yeah. Right, 'cause I think there's just 2. Well, actually, no, there's that one. I know the mosaic's somewhere around here. I know there's a dervish one higher up. That's a rock slime. Yeah, this place is mostly dead. I definitely need to come back with some or plorts later on for this area to bring over here. Just random chickens. I would like to get more dervishes if I can. Please and thank you. Yeah, I just also don't know if I have enough energy to actually get to where some prickle pears are. Which, I mean, I don't know. I definitely need to get more, like, dervish slimes as well. Like, I normally try to have up to, like, 7 to 8 per corral. That's what I want to try to do first. If I can get any. Yeah. Okay. Let me try to go back to the starting area, I guess, because I think I know where I could probably get some prickle pears. Yeah, the only reason I was kind of iffy on the silver parsnips... Oh. Right, I forgot this happens. Chaos happens. But yeah, I think, for the slimes that like silver parsnips the most, I'm pretty sure those are mosaics. I know tangle slimes like painted hens. Yeah, that's something I'm gonna need to do. I need to like start collecting some like chickens too at one point for tangled slimes. Okay. Try to aim for the prickle pears that are this way. Okay. I gotta wait for my energy to come back. I'll just hide underneath here. So definitely gonna need my energy to get through. Normally, I think at this part in the game, I normally do have a lot more energy. But, yeah. So yeah, I think I just need to make it over the way over there, so... Or is it up here? Because I know he's here. I swear there's like more prickle pears I can get like around here or something. I wonder. Well, I don't know. I don't know. I don't think it would let me. It's a treasure pod. It's a little hard to see as well since there's like so much chaos happening at the moment. I thought I could get some prickle pears up here. Don't tell me I actually need another slime key just to get the prickle pears, which is the dervish's favorite food. Well, now that that's gone, I have a better, clear vision. Yeah, because I can't really see it anywhere. I thought there might have been some, like, lying around up here by this dude. But yeah, I was wrong. I definitely need to bring a lot of prickle pears for you, I know that much. Oh, son of a bitch. Is there something behind you? No. Oh crap, I don't know where to find prickle pears then. You're a hen. Are there some just kind of hanging around? I mean, I have phase limits at home, and I have quantum ports. I could just stick with one kind of slime for now, and then deal with the others later. I mean, I guess I would have to come back. There's a fire slime, which I'm not interested in. There's a seventh one at least. I'll look around a bit more, and if I find another dervish before I find the prickle pear tree, kind of where I can, then, yeah. So yeah, if anything, we are definitely still gonna have to open up another door, before leaving. Air drive. Less energy, yeah. Well, just in case, I'm gonna grab heartbeats, because for rock slimes, what I could do, because that's their favorite food, rock slimes, so I could do that for them too, but yeah. I'm not seeing anything over here. No prickle pear tree or nothing. Yeah, I think it is. I think they are like more further up, which kind of suck. Because for that, I need another key. Luckily, as well, this should be the last key that we need too. Because we do need to move on like eventually, but yeah. Oh, is this for dervishes? Well, we'll see in a second. Yep. I already got the new look for them. They have the galaxy look. Just more heartbeats. At least they'll be more easier to spot. Yeah, that's death. Yeah, no dervishes. Or no prickle pear tree. It's not great on my part. Because I need those trees. It's their favorite food, the dervish's favorite food. Yeah. Let me just see if I can find one more dervish. And then we'll head back. If I can. Hello, any dervishes want to spawn? Any at all? Any dervish? Man, yeah, I haven't even seen another dervish ever since, like, I grabbed the 7. Well, I guess I'm sticking with 7 then. At least then I don't have to use up all the quantum ports just to... Yeah. Yeah, there's no automatic teleporter over here. Yeah, I have to go back to the ancient ruins at least to get to the teleporter back here. So, yeah. Okay. So, backwards we go. Up top. Up the top, the top. Top the top. Well, at least we finally have accessibility to dervish slimes now. Alright. If anything, I just have to mix dervish slimes with, like, some of the stuff that we already can. Like with... Oka-okas. Do I know who likes oka-okas? I know they're specific. Okay. Stony hens, cube berries. You, rad slimes. Okay, so I can combine rads with you if I wanted to. I know they like mangoes, so I could just do those guys and quantums. For now, I don't know. We'll see. Well, let me see if I can make high walls at least first. Okay, hold on. Before you get too angry. Oh god, they're hangry. Oh god, wait. Oh, fucking... Oh, hi. Come back! Ah, shit. Eat. Are you not hungry? Okay, you're not hungry. Okay, hold on, let me... I need to get, like, high walls and everything. Oh, Jesus. Excuse me. God. Dervishes of all. Internet. Okay, so now they can't really escape that way. Go back in there. Bring you home and this is what happens. At least I got extra fruit I can use for you guys too. Are you all teleport? I have food in there for you. Oh, god damn it. Oh, there's two of you guys. What do you mean you're... It's fruit! Are you good? Oh my god, you guys. How am I even supposed to do anything if you guys keep getting out of the fucking cage? There's so much fruit in there, just enjoy your fruit. God damn. Are we good? Are we gonna behave? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You son of a bitch! Get back in the cage! You guys have a lot of fruit in there. Behave. Oh boy. Can I make a music box so they don't get so pissy? Yes. I don't even have enough for a plort collector. Okay, at least all of you are in the cage now, which is fine. I just have to go in there myself, which luckily you guys aren't dangerous, so I just need to try to get the plorts. It's not easy when all you guys are just all over the place. At least you guys should be a bit more calm now. I had to pick quantums first. I had to pick quantums. There's a... Can I get the dervish plort, please? Where did it go? God, you guys made a mess of my ranch. There's more face lemons. They're all just over here. Why do I have a Q-berry? Eat that. Here's a dervish all the way over here. Oh, hey, look at all the plorts that just went over here. Well, I mean, I guess I'll keep these on me for a second. Here, have some more food. There's the other one. Is there another, quantum plort? It's also hard to tell the quantum plorts from the phase lemons. Oh, there it is. Eat. That's a phase lemon. That's definitely something I'm gonna need too, is like a plort collector. Which I have enough for both. Okay. Okay, plort collector, yes. Auto feeder, yes. Okay. I'm gonna collect any phase lemon I see hanging around. I'm gonna start putting that for you guys too. If you guys seem a bit too hungry, I'll try to put in some of these other fruits for now, since we don't have all the rest. There you go. Plenty of fruits. Oh, here's some of the other plorts. There's 30 for now. Yeah, I should be good with it between the 7 of you. And actually, I'll also put it on low feed as well, just because I got some other food around here anyways. Yeah, like they got other, like, freaking snacks in here. Yeah. Won't use up all of them, but I'm just gonna give you guys some of that anyways. Any plorts in the core collector? No. I think I saw at least... Yeah, there was a plort over here. And another one. There you go. Okay. Everything seems to now be a little more peaceful. Okay, ooh. Yeah, I just realized, so I want the phosphor ones, Yeah, because I would have to put up a solar shield for them, too. I think, isn't this like 10,000 for this? Like, yeah, 10,000. It's gonna be a while for that, so I'm gonna need other places. Because I don't have too much room for corrals. I have like 4, which I also only have a few of these. I mean, I guess I can find heartbeats later. Because I don't want to keep the heartbeats on me either. Unless... I mean, I guess... in here... Oh, I don't even have enough for this. I need more. Yeah, you know, we'll get more heartbeats later. It's fine. You guys enjoying yourselves? Well, let me collect more of these. There you go. There we go. Yeah, now I have enough for here. Actually, I'll grab a Q-berry too. Because I can use this Q-berry as like an extra, like, fruit resource in case, like, they seem to get too hungry. Oh, I need more money. Okay. So, well, I mean, I guess I can at least make a garden for now. And I don't really need to make this, like, too much. How much for a corral? Okay, so I can at least make the corral, and then I'll deal with putting phosphor dervishes in them a little later. Okay, so... It's gonna be a minute before you guys make any more, so... Well, I mean, I guess if I want to get some more dervishes, that's probably my next step. Yeah, because I need money, too. I guess I could do my other kind of money grinding I was doing before, just going around collecting plorts. Go ahead, eat some plorts. Or, not eat plorts. Give me some plorts. Eat. Give me your poop. Oh, hello. Hey, I got another heartbeat. Where? Oh, over here. Nice. Here's a few pink plorts. Yeah, pretty soon I'm probably not gonna start. I'm not gonna like sell the pink plorts. I'm gonna use them for something else. Which, yeah, would also make it a bit easier to get to some certain places. That's what I wanted. No! There. No? Tabbies. There we go. Where? Okay. Alright, I think that's at least good enough for a little bit of extra... No! There we go. A few more extra money. Fine. You ate the cube berry. Fuck you. Alright. This is me not knowing what to do at some points. Grab a few more plorts along the way. A few more pinks. Yeah, hopefully the next time we do this challenge, hopefully maybe it's another, like an early one, like phosphors. Although that would be hard for money-wise a little bit, because I would have to put up solar shields almost for every pen, aside from the cave. But at least we would have slimes also instantly. Yeah, let me deposit these and then see what you guys have made while I was gone, which wasn't that long. There we go. You guys are still happy, right? Only 2. Well, who knows? Well, I did hear something. I guess they're just eating. Keep hearing more and more. They must be eating some phase lemons. Yeah. Yeah, you don't also have to worry about these. That's just like the little clones. They just kind of pop out. They really do nothing. They're just there. Okay. There. Should be ready. I'm also gonna make some heartbeat farm over here too, just for later. I'm also gonna make sure the corral's ready to go for phosphors. So yeah, and yeah, I don't think I'm really gonna do much with this garden right now. Right now, I'm mostly just gonna focus on getting this corral ready to go. So high walls, air net, and music box, and yeah, we can worry about all that other shit later. So yeah, perfectly enough. We have some cube berries. I guess 5 will be enough. I'm gonna go, since now it's nighttime, we should be able to get some phosphor plorts. And then I'm gonna mosey on back over to the glass desert, which will also be a bit of a travel. Hang on, maybe we'll have some spawn here. Well, hang on, maybe I'll make them spawn by getting rid of some of the pink the pinks here. Spawn more, please. Oh, come on, no phosphors? I want phosphors. I might also just collect the phosphors for a second and just kind of... Really? No phosphors want to spawn tonight? Well, I mean, I guess well... I mean... I do know another spot I can technically see them. Oh, here we go. Here, actually, you know what? I'm gonna collect a few of you guys, actually. Any, like, phosphors? Oh, you're about to poop some. Any other phosphors? Well, I mean, I only got, like... Well, actually, this should be enough. I'm gonna start heading over this way. Oh, yeah, okay. Forgive me. I mean, I know you guys are phosphors, too, and I could probably just ignore you. So I'm gonna bring these phosphors over here so I don't have to worry about, like, them mixing any other breeds or someone stealing their their kind of plorts. Okay, so... Okay, that should be good enough. There we go. Alright, the rest of you continue your journey. And now we go back to the glass desert to grab some more dervish slimes. Then we should be good. And at least... Well, I'm getting out of here. And at least with all the... at least with like 2 sets of slimes, we should be able to start making some money. And then I'll think about trying to get some others later on, and obviously some dervish, or not dervish, sorry, prickle pears later down the road. Because there's some that are only meat-based. Oh god, that's gonna be a hard challenge too, if there's some that are just meat-based, pretty much. But yeah, obviously I normally don't try to go for, like, the meats, pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my energy to come back. That's something I'm gonna have to start doing too, is investing my money into, well, I haven't been really able to invest my money because, I don't really get that much at home. Okay, I gotta wait for my energy to come back. I guess I can kind of start going this way while I'm... Yeah. Hopefully more spawn pretty soon when I get there. Especially since I do need to end the episode soon, but like I at least want to like end off the video with like, you know, hello. Do. Okay. Okay, there we go. To the glass desert. Yeah. And the thing is, I don't even know if I'm even gonna try to get teleporters, because getting items for that takes a while. And not to mention, it's a lot of time consuming just getting over there, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, so back to the glass desert again, where we can at least get more dervish. Well, we can get the dervish phosphors at least. Alright, any dervishes want to spawn? I've been gone for a while. any dervishes at all. Any that would like to spawn. That would be swell. Jeez, I almost feel like it would be easier to just grab phosphors, give them the dervish plorts, and then... Oh, well, here's one. I need more, though. Also, I guess before I like put them in the pen too, I should probably have some cube berries ready to feed. Okay. Oh, I meant to. Why do you get spawned and you become so angry? Oh, well, this makes it a bit harder to see. Oh, I thought you were something. Okay, don't care about you rocks. Can a dervish spawn, please? Ow! Do you mind, rocks? Yeah. If I don't find too many, I think I'll just accept for what I have for now, and then obviously come back and grab more later and just put them in. Since a lot don't seem to want to spawn in for some odd reason. I was able to get 7 the first time around, but I was still like wandering about here for a good little bit, so I don't know. Ow. Meteor. Another rock. I don't really care about the rock slimes that much. I'd rather get dervishes, please. At least now it's easier to see. I wonder if it is because there's like no life here at all. Maybe. I have no idea. Still no other dervishes are spawning. It's not great. Yeah, I think I have to give up on finding more. I think as long as we have some, I mean, I know they're not going to give us much, but I can always get more. I can always come back later for more dervishes, and then I can just kind of spawn them in. Or I can just grab phosphors, and then once I get dervish plorts, I can just give them that before sending them into the thing. But yeah, for these guys, I'm at least going to make sure I get some cube berries before I shoot them into their pen, and before I turn them into phosphor ones. Which I don't know if I've ever seen a phosphor dervish before. I don't know. Also, yeah, sorry if this is getting to be a pretty long episode. Okay, here we go. You guys are still good, right? Yeah, you still have plenty of face lemons. Actually, since I'm only going to be using like a little bit, or just 2, I will at least put like 6 in here. There, because now I can at least get an auto feeder for these new ones. And start putting cube berries in there. Okay, so boom and boom. Eat. Oh, duh, I should have done that first. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna give you guys an auto feeder. I'll worry about a plort collector later, just because there's not that many for you. And since there's really only 2 of you, I'm also gonna not put it at high, put it at low. And with the ones we have over here too, we'll give that to them as well. There we go. Nice. Sort of, the prices for dervishes are going to go way down eventually. Yeah, at least we can start making some more dough right now. So the next slime I want to make, I have no idea what I might want to make. Oh, the other one didn't go in. Yeah, because I saw that one flying. Come on. Oh, whatever. I'll just leave some of them in there for now. Alrighty. I think with that, we're also going to end things here because, well, we're already 50 minutes in already. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this challenge video. If you guys like this challenge video, press the like button or subscribe, whatever. And I will see all you dudes, whoops, in the next challenge. See you dudes next time. Yeah.